where I did Hatim. Now Hatim came after, I think about 3-4 years after I started my career. Okay. Now Hatim established me as a personality on Indian TV. Okay. After Hatim, if anybody would have been in my place, probably they would have excelled by doing similar kind of roles. You know what I mean? The glamorous roles.
Correct.
So what happened was I something ticked in my mind, and I suddenly switched. I switched to roles which were very character written, underdog type. Okay, which would make me grow as an actor, which I would want to learn every day. Okay, so after doing Hatim, I straight jumped into a show which I was not the protagonist, but in which I had a character to play where I could learn a lot from. Now this was a very deliberate decision, because otherwise I would have gone ahead and done similar big budget shows like Hatim. Okay, there were offers, but I never wanted to do that. So there was a show called Sarthi on Star Plus, which fared very well during the afternoon slot.
Yes.
Okay, it was a modern day Mahabharat version.
Mahabharat, yes.
So in that I was playing Karn.
Acha, okay.
So from that's when my journey of experimenting with characters started. I kind of became a rebel. You know, always in a family, sometimes you find there is a child, one among 3 or 5, who's always a rebel. वो हमेशा उल्टा ही करेगा. Okay. So yes. So here I was that. In my mind, I said कि नहीं, मुझे ये नहीं करना है, क्योंकि because it's कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है. It's not that कि I have 3-4 years with me and I have to, overexpose myself, and तो फिर बचेगा क्या आगे के लिए? If I learn step by step, then I would, keep playing characters till I'm 70-75.
How nice.
So because it's my passion. So that is when I started going into detailing. खैर उसके लिए I have paid a very big price, Himanshu. उसमें क्या होता है? Most of the times you're not visible. Okay, because you're waiting for the right kind of role. All right, and then usme because there is so much of gap between your shows. The audience somehow has forgotten you.
Correct.
So every show when you are back on TV again, so it is like you have articles like, oh, he's making a comeback. So I used to laugh from within, saying that kaun sa comeback? It's always been there. So it's very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. I think it's going to take another good 10 years for TV to change. Because अभी क्या हो गया, because of OTT platform, okay, so वो सब चीजें वहां पे अभी होंगी. Okay, so TV in fact अभी और मजबूत हो जाएगा, जो actually जो हुआ था, जो हो रहा था अब तक.
Correct.
Okay, because TV audience is fixed. अब जब तक उनको एक पैटर्न में जो वो फिक्स हो गए हैं, वो वही देखना चाहेंगे, और वो और भी मजबूत हो गया है. बीच में there were slight changes. Television में there were channels like Star One, which was launched, which had some very nice shows.
Yes.
Very yes, yeah. So but nahi, I think now TV is back to what it was, and so anybody who wants to try something different, okay, they obviously OTT platform है वहाँ पे. So ये अभी भी है. I still thrive for this. When I would get a character like this, which I haven't done in the past, and Madam Sir, which I'm doing presently, it just happened. It was not something I really wanted to do. एक होता है कि I need to try this role, okay, and I want to experiment with this. Like for example, दिल जैसे धड़के धड़कने दो was a challenge.
Absolutely, yes.
Madam Sir is more of a breather, because after playing some intense characters, you want to have you want to be relaxed and take it easy, and the show is not on your shoulders. So I'm kind of having a holiday and also being visible to the audience.
How nice, wonderful, wonderful. मुझे 1 मिनट लेना पड़ेगा आपका, क्योंकि आपका वीडियो ब्लर हो रहा है. तो एक काम करते हैं, कैन यू जस्ट लीव एंड कम बैक? समटाइम्स द इंटरनेट क्रिएट्स एन इशू.
जी, तो आप मुझे इनवाइट भेज दीजिएगा.
नहीं, यू जस्ट लीव एंड बी हियर, आई विल जस्ट सेंड यू द इनवाइट राइट अवे.
ओके ओके.
Okay, he's going to. Madam Sir is the best. बहुत सारे fans हैं Madam Sir के. Yeah, he's here. 1 second. Okay, sometimes happens. Yes, much better, much better. I hope so. ये क्या हो गया? थोड़ा इंटरनेट कहाँ गड़बड़ कर रहा है, मैं सोच रहा हूँ. अभी तो ठीक ठाक चल रहा था हमारा इंटरनेट.
तो वापस से फिर से आऊं?
Wait. Let's hold on for a second or something. अपने आप चीजें अपने आप ठीक हो जाती है. Sometimes I think शायद मेरी तरफ से या आपकी तरफ से कहीं तो इंटरनेट वीक होगा, उसकी वजह से कभी-कभी हो जाता है. But I think it's okay. Slightly better. Can you hear me properly? आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
नहीं. Gautam is there, so he's saying not better. Gautam, he just called me and I had to disconnect the call.
अच्छा, ओके.
भाई इनको पकड़ना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, हमारे गौतम भाई को.
गौतम को मैंने यहाँ पे भी आई सॉ हिम एंड आई वाज लाइक, मुझे पता है आप यहाँ पर हो, तो राहिल से बात हो रही है, तो पक्का कुछ मिलाप हो रहा है. I think you मामला गड़बड़ है बॉस. What is he saying?
मामला गड़बड़ है बॉस. हाँ. नहीं, आज संडे के दिन शर्ट निकाल दिए थे भाईजान.
अरे क्या बात है, ये गौतम ही कर सकता है.
But Himanshu, whatever said and done, I have been into exercising right from my teenage. But at present, and I think even much पहले से भी, Gautam Rode, I think he has the best physique, natural physique.
Absolutely right. Natural.
Okay, in the TV industry.
मतलब उनके 20 साल से या 17 साल से वो सिक्स पैक चिपके हुए हैं पेट पे.
चिपके, बिल्कुल. And you know what? He's so dedicated to his diet.
Yeah, he's very
चाहे
dedicated.
कुछ भी हो जाए.
He is extremely dedicated. That's Gautam Rode for us. He is extremely dedicated all the time, and we had a good fortune of talking to him also. अब तो ऑनलाइन हो गई चीजें, पहले ऑफलाइन जब 1-1.5 साल पहले जब चीजें ठीक थी कोरोना से पहले, तो हम लोग मिलके हम लोगों ने पॉडकास्ट किया था, एंड इट वाज वंडरफुल नोइंग हिज थॉट्स एज वेल. बट आई थिंक उनको भी मैसेज भी आया, रुको जरा मैं देख रहा हूँ, और अच्छा बोलो.
हाँ, और अच्छा क्या. हाँ, और एक अच्छी बात. There was a show which I did. एक बहुत बेहतरीन शो था, महाकुंभ.
Yes, Arvind Babbal ji.
Okay, it was on Life OK. Yes. And I was in Mahakumbh because of Gautam.
अरे वाह, ये कैसे?
Yes,
ये नहीं पता मुझे.
And हुआ क्या था कि though me and Gautam know each other from around 2006. Okay. We've hardly meet. Okay, it's more on the telephonic conversations, and Gautam hates me for this because wherever he invites me, मैं कल्टी मारता हूँ.
अच्छा, ऐसा क्यों? आपको पता है बाहर जाना लोगों से मिलना ज्यादा.
So
मुझे पता है.
So it was that phase during 2015 when Mahakumbh was on air, and so they were looking for this new negative. Okay, and I think they had almost finalized somebody. But Gautam stood up and he said ki nahi, if this is the role, then you must take Rahil for it.
क्या बात है.
Yeah, and thank you Gautam. I think
incredible.
I really enjoyed that character. So ऐसा बहुत कम होता है टीवी में. where Himanshu, where do you find people सब they are so unfortunately वो insecurity sets in, and बहुत सी चीजें होती हैं. But this guy,
he's amazing. I mean, whenever I talk to him, he's like, "क्या हाल चाल, सब ठीक है, कुछ चाहिए, सब okay." मतलब he also exudes so much of love and warmth. He's like an elder brother, and he's always so careful and taking care and protected.
And
I mean, I really,
you know the kind of female fan following he has.
बताओ भाई, हम आप तो शादी हो चुकी है।
मुझे कभी कभी लगता है मैं एक्टर कैसे बन गया।
अच्छा।
The kind of fan following he has.
He has an amazing.
I mean, there is not. कभी क्या होता है कि you know there are choices. Women have choices. कि some are very fond of like fair guys, British, all dark and handsome type ये वो. But यहाँ पे it's universal. Every unanimous decision जिसे कहते हैं ना,
गौतम रोड़े,
all the women are for Gautam.
ये आप कुछ एक्सपीरियंस से कह रहे हो, वो मुझे कुछ समझ में आने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
जी नहीं I have होता है ना कभी, sometimes you read comments, sometimes when you go out, you talk to different people, जब उनका नाम निकलता है तो there is not a single woman who said कि okay यार so type, होता है ना कभी? नहीं, every woman has
Gautam Roade tops the chart.
Yes. And we all three had met last in इसमें ना?
Yes.
The launch of
the launch of दिल जैसे
धड़कने दो। हाँ।
But
अगर उस वक्त अगर हमको पता होता तो लॉन्च और एंड दोनों साथ में मना लेते।
अरे गुरु साहब सुनेंगे तो बैंड बजा देंगे।
No, but it was a lockdown. Unfortunate.
It was a lockdown.
उसमें किसी की गलती नहीं थी।
Correct.
वो हो गया था वो। हाँ, गौतम भाई अभी भी है या तारीफ सुन के भाग गए?
I have no clue. अभी पता नहीं लग रहा। अच्छा, आपके बहुत सारे फैंस हैं, 2 मिनट जरा उनसे बात करते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे फैंस इस समय आपकी और गुलकी के बारे में काफी सारी बातें कर रहे हैं। Of course, we will have conversation, but especially about Madam Sir. Madam Sir की बहुत fan following है, and I think they really adore you and love you.
Yes, मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा उनसे कि भाई फैन फॉलोइंग तो बहुत बेहतरीन है, लेकिन आप लोग मोबाइल पर बंद कर दीजिए, मोबाइल पर मत देखिए। You watch it live, watch it on TV, so it helps in the rating. और जब रेटिंग होगी तो शो की लाइफ और एक्सटेंड होगी।
Correct, absolutely. So a lot of people are saying hearts and sending you and अच्छा wait.
Bye Gautam, see you, take care.
बहुत तारीफ हो गई, अभी आप सो जाओ जाके, he's shooting as well. कल सुबह उठना जल्दी। Bye, see you. हाँ, so I was saying बहुत सारे लोग बार-बार आपकी और गुलकी की केमिस्ट्री के बारे में भी I think कुछ बात करना चाहते हैं. So what kind of chemistry that you share with her?
Everyone is liking the chemistry. So I'm surprised कि because बहुत कम episodes में उनको केमिस्ट्री अच्छी लगने लगी ऑडियंस को। So I was like pretty impressed because ज्यादा कुछ था नहीं करने के लिए, जैसे कोई जो रेगुलर रोमांटिक शोज में होते हैं जो अलग लव स्टोरीज में, because this is not a love story. So but I'm like really happy and looking forward कि ऐसे और ज्यादा सीन्स हो और उनको पसंद आए। It's nice because she's also a thorough professional. And so I'm really happy. Everybody's liking it. देखते हैं।
That's wonderful. हाँ, that's wonderful. मुझे एक दो चीजें आपसे पूछनी है। एक्चुअली बहुत सारी चीजें पूछनी है। अभी तो कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू हुई है हमारी। सबसे पहले let me go back to आपने जो बात कही थी ना कि there was a time when you were written off in your first show. उसके बाद of course हातिम हुआ और उसके बाद constant एक decision हुआ आपके जहन में कि मुझे कुछ अलग करना है। तो मैं जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि because you were written off and it had such a deep impact on your heart and soul कि कहीं ना कहीं उसके बाद से अंदर से वो एक आ गई कि नहीं यार, अब मुझे प्रूव करना है that I can do varied characters and nobody should call me that I am not an actor. Was it because of that?
No, it wasn't because of that. So like I told you, like I said, when I was written off, उसके बाद जो एक मन से जो कि I'll be back with a vengeance types.
Yes.
So it was just to be there. Okay, just to be there with good work and good shows. All right. ये जो दूसरी चीज है where I wanted to create a parallel kind of a road, because I've never been there in the main daily soap path, जो एक fixed path होता है. Okay. As far as whether the kind of scripts you sign, the kind of characters you play, the performances you give, तो I switched to another path. All right. So that was deliberate, not because of the written off thing.
Vengeance.
Not because of that.
Vengeance.
This was कि नहीं यार, I kind of want to do I can show my caliber.
Correct, as an artist. मुझे लगता है और ये भी थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंशियल भी हो जाता है ना, कुछ चीजें एक्सप्लोर आप कर सकते हो. अगर आप कुछ नई नई चीजें करो, आप एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं करोगे तो फिर नई नई चीजें होंगी कैसे? एंड देन यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू एक्सप्लोर योरसेल्फ मोर एज एन आर्टिस्ट.
Yes, and abhi bhi hai. In fact, I've always, when I watch OTT shows, Himanshu, when I first saw, जब शुरू हुई थी सब Netflix पे जितने भी Indian shows आए थे, तो उस वक्त I realized कि that was the pattern with which I used to work from 2004.
क्या बात है? मतलब 16 साल पहले, 17 साल पहले.
16 साल पहले, that is the pattern which I had set for myself. That is why I could never be a typical daily soap actor where I could work 28 to 29 days a month. I couldn't do it.
Correct.
Okay, for me it was all about कि एक होता ना, जब आप कोई फ्रूट खाते हो तो उसको सीड तक आप निचोड़ते हो. तो मेरे लिए वैसा है. When I do a scene, it's like that. And after a long time, I think when we had done scenes in Dil Jaise Dhadke Dhadakne Do, when Gurudev Bhalla sir was directing us, there was a lot of satisfaction in the scenes.
Yeah.
If you see, it was not ki we are just shooting it because we need to telecast it.
Correct.
You remember when we went to that place near Pune?
Yes.
Okay, near the lake.
Yes, near the lake. Yes.
Yeah.
I remember.
So see that. So that is how it should actually be. I think for every actor, because the actor will. I mean, those who are passionate, right? And those who are here because they want to explore themselves, they want to grow.
Correct.
Okay, so that is the kind of direction I would want to work under.
Nice.
There was another show which I did, which was based on a novel. धर्मवीर भारती की एक नॉवल थी, गुनाहों का देवता.
Correct.
Okay. So उसपे एक शो बना था for life. Okay. एक था चंदर, एक थी सुधा.
Correct.
Yes. So that was another one. उसमें क्या था? We did not have any telecast का कुछ issue. So we shot like 20-21 episodes, and then it came online.
Wow, that's wonderful. ऐसा तो कभी नहीं होता television में usually.
जी वो actually हुआ क्या था? It was air पे जाने वाला था वो, but due to some delays, okay, then it happened to come on. I think it's there on Hotstar.
Wonderful.
So that is the kind of pattern I've always wanted to work. Okay, because क्या होता है here? It's see, I don't blame them because so many people are involved in this, and you have no option. You have to. आपको महीने में 28 days shoot करना ही पड़ता है, minimum 25 days for the production, and दिन में आपको minimum 8 scenes करने होते हैं because you have to deliver the episodes. You need so many minutes in a day. So you can't blame the directors or the actors because कहाँ है, वक्त ही नहीं है उतना, because उनकी schooling शुरुआत से उस तरह से हुई है.
Correct, absolutely right.
तो मैंने वो I did not, जब शुरुआत में मेरे साथ बिल्कुल ऐसे ही हुआ था, मतलब जहाँ कैमरा जाता था वहाँ मैं नहीं जाता था, जहाँ मैं जाता था कैमरा वहाँ आता था. So I was shooting 40 days in a month in my first show, actually, if you go to see. So मुझे लगा if I continue this way, then I'll finish myself.
You'll be exhausted completely. Yes.
Yeah. So that is why. So right now, I would love to do web series. Try my hand at that. Okay.
Sure,
and yeah. So वो है television में तो खैर as in when the Almighty gives me something some kind of characters where I've always wanted to try. Yeah.
Yes.
So you never know. Absolutely. And this I have observed because I didn't know this quality about you, but during the show which we were shooting, उस दौरान when I used to chat with you, I realized कहीं ना कहीं जो एक मेरा mindset है about performance, about scripts or whatever, our wavelength matches.
Correct. It does.
Yeah, because I have seen कि आप उसको अपनी बातों से जाहिर नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन आपके चेहरे से पता चल जाता है कि अगर ये टिपिकल है तो I know you're not happy with it.
Okay. I'm totally not.
See, because you have a smiling face always, mashallah, पता नहीं चलता है. But anybody who is close to you and who observes you, वो पता चल जाता है कि unless किसी चीज में कोई बहुत गहराई है, there's a different glow on your face.
Yes. So actually क्या है ना, वो जुनून तो बहुत है अपने आप को कुछ नई चीजों में ढालने का, कुछ चीजें क्रिएट करने का, लेकिन क्या होता है जब हम टेलीविजन करते हैं तो बहुत सारे हाथ बन जाते हैं, और क्योंकि बहुत सारे हाथ बन जाते हैं तो आप थोड़ा शांत हो जाते हो, क्योंकि आपको लगता है ठीक है जितना है उसमें जितना अच्छा कर सकते हैं कर देते हैं, फिर आगे जब कुछ और नया मिलेगा तो कुछ और नया ट्राई करेंगे. बट आई एट दैट मोमेंट फॉर मी बिटवीन एक्शन एंड कट आई वांट टू बी माय प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म. ये है कि मेरी आत्मा से निकलनी चाहिए हर चीज, क्योंकि मेरे पास बस वही एक्शन एंड कट है और उसी के लिए मैंने एक्टिंग शुरू की है. मतलब बाकी सब चीजें आती हैं, फेम है, नेम है, पैसा है, सब चीजें आएंगी, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो एक्शन और कट के बीच में जो प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म है ना, वो मेरे लिए बड़ा मेडिटेटिव है. मुझे लगता है वो, एंड स्पेशली व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग सीन्स विद यू, इट वाज सच एन अमेजिंग फीलिंग, बिकॉज एक एक्शन रिएक्शन बड़ा कमाल का होता है. एक सुनना
that has helped me a lot. That has helped me so much. क्या हो?
Correct.
You see, that is why it was very easy for me to work with you in the scenes.
I had a wonderful time. Seriously, because इतना मजा आता था, because आपकी तरफ से कुछ चीजें आ रही हैं, मेरी तरफ से कुछ चीजें आ रही हैं, और वो बड़े अच्छे से it's a feeling of oneness that creates some kind of a magic. हम लोग synchronize that there's no insecurity, there's no jealousy, because most of the times we also see some actors having insecurities with each other regarding something or the other.